Welcome to my program. In today's video I'm going to show you how to trade my trading plan. As you can see on the screen, I have actually mentioned what you do with the trading plan, how to trade it. But before you start trading the trading plan, make sure you go through my video of how to trade Forex 24/5. The reason why is I have explained it for the beginners, how much position size should be, and if you are more in the market you can increase your position size. Okay, I will go briefly. I'm not going to trade it live today because that's it becomes a long video, but in my video which I have made previously, I have shown and traded it live, so you can do so as well. But please understand the risk involved in this Forex or any sort of trading. So the trading plan one states that when 5 SMA goes on top of 20 SMA, you buy. Okay, so you see I have a box here. This is I have clearly shown in my the other video as well why I put this, because this is to understand how much it is moving on a daily basis. You see it has already moved 50 cents. That is what it moves on a daily basis. So let's go with the trading plan briefly. And this trading plan is basically created to trade without emotion, to trade it like a kid. Okay, as I train my kids with this trading plan. Okay, so let's go briefly with it. So when suppose you come from work or you come from wherever outside and you want to see an opportunity, if you find an opportunity, so what you see is that, okay, so let's open the screen and see you have a 2-minute chart of Forex, and then you see if 5 goes below 20, you give it a sell. Okay, the same thing goes here. 5 goes above 20, you give it a buy. Okay, for the beginners I have put a position size is quarter of a mini lot, that is 2500, or you can start with half of mini lot. Okay, not even mini lot is 10,005 to start is. And if you are not a beginner in this one, for the beginners I have shown how to capture the only 20 cents move and above. You are not reacting to 10 cents, because you see if you enter here on this line, if you made an entry, and even if this thing came next to your price and it has not gone below, it still went up, and you still started with 37, with 47, 10 cent was not your move. So when it came down here, you're maybe €1 loss, because the commission itself is €2 for every trade you put. So even not even maybe €1 loss, 37 to 41, yeah, you're maybe 50 cents loss. So and then you take a trade here, it got you maybe 9-8 cents, but you're not looking for it. Okay, I have told in the other trading plan is to take 2 trades a day. You see the market has been going sideways for 2 days now. It's been sideways. Okay, you get sometimes 10 cents move. That's why please go through the other video which I have shown. I have made how to trade Forex 24/5. I have explained everything what you need and what the trading plan does. Okay, this will just trade you without emotion, because you see the price is moving, you feel like this is going to come down, and by the time it reaches here it goes back. So this is how you can just sit put, and you say that when the 5 goes below you are out. Okay, the same thing, you come in the morning or whenever in afternoon from the work, you see that this is up here. Okay, it went only 10 cents down, is not bothering you. By the time it crosses here, you are at the same price. But when you get a 20 cents move, you're gonna take it, because this is basically designed to take bigger moves. You see this is 40 cents move. Okay, here you were out, you took a short, it didn't work. Here you take a long and you go with it. Okay, for the beginners 2 trades a day. But there is something called spikes, which I have explained in the my first video. It's a pretty long video, but you can go through. When the market transit from one zone to the another, on a bigger time frame, weekly ones, their bars are very big. Okay, even though you are in a negative zone here, you thought it's a short, and all of a sudden you are down whatever €1, you still can take a long. This went all the way to €2.5. Okay, this will just make you a calm trader. Okay, and transitioning of the market with a big bar is normal, nothing to fear. Okay, the market is basically today 2 days it's trapped, so their minimum move is 10 to 20 cents. They don't get much, but when they're trending, you get €1, €2, €2.5. But never to fear this thing, which is a transition of a bar from a negative zone to a positive zone. Don't fear it. That's how they have to transit. You cannot go with a small bar. These are 10 cents bar and is normal. Okay, the program is designed for you to just sit. The reason why you don't have a stop loss, and it's only a stop loss when it's 5 goes below 20 MA, is because sometimes you get played. So you don't get played. When you know this is going up here, you take a buy. Okay, you wait and see what happens, because if it comes from here, it can go all the way here. If you get 20 cents, done, you're good to go. Okay, so good luck and thank you for your time. Happy investing and happy trading.